Good morning, guys. Good morning, Wolf. Good morning, Ohe. How you doing, guys? Let's start our morning routine. We start with gold. Let's mark our key areas. We have 8 minutes, guys, before the market open. Just a second, be right back. There we go. I'm back, guys. Right, so we're starting with our morning routine. By marking the key areas we have from today. And this is our Asian low. We start with gold first. Asian lows and our Asian highs. I'll mark some other key liquidity here. Up. Sell side, buy side. Right. We're gonna go to the daily. Back. Previous day high. How you doing, guys? What is your expectation today from the charts, Wolf? Gold is going down still. Gold is going down. You can see it clearly on daily. We can see we're in a fair value gap, so maybe that's why we get this pushback. We might get a retrace. Have sweet liquidity here, but we're still inside the previous week candle, which was bullish. So let's see how the market is gonna open now. We're trading way below the previous day low. We'll see. Very interesting. And Nasdaq is as well interesting to watch. Asian low. This sweet liquidity. Highs. And some more liquidity. We are very close to the all-time high. You remember how everybody was worried during those lows? Well, we're almost back to the all-time high. We're almost back 24%, guys. When Trump announced the tariffs and everything dumped twice. Well, whoever bought low and sold high, well, there we go, easy money. What a recovery. What a recovery, guys. And we're gonna go with the trend here. So we're gonna go for longs, definitely. Oop. Let me see the weekly one. Yes, we're way above the weekly, and the weekly looks green. Well, green. Let me turn off the DR here. Yeah, we want to make sweet buys. Sweet buys. Okay, 2 more minutes to the open. There is another thing we can see. I'm really interested what happened with the DR during the Frankfurt session. Right, so we had a break with this candle. We are still in trade probably. Yeah, probably. What about the 5 minute? There is no breakout on the 5 minute on gold. I still undecided about direction. Well, if we watch the daily, as we spoke, gold is looking like it's headed down. But on the other hand, we're in this fair value gap where the price have some reaction with this wick. So we're gonna watch closely gold. It's not moving very fast, to be honest. Nasdaq, very strong push. Very strong push yesterday. Very strong push day before. We're trending well above previous week high, previous day low. So retracement will be much more riskier to go for a retracement rather than just follow the trend. So let's hope there's going to be a retracement into this area somewhere, and we can grab the buys. You see here retracement, and there we go, the buys retracement. So we need to take advantage of this strong movement of Nasdaq. So many strong days with couple of red or black in my case. Let me check what happened with Nasdaq during the Frankfurt. Where did you go? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Probably I wouldn't enter on this one. I would enter on this one. Stop loss here. Oh, good target. 1.9. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Yeah. It's running good. It's running good. And then 5 minutes. Yeah, on 5 minutes is still running. We grab some liquidity. There is some more here. This is the retracement we want to see. And we are 2 minutes inside the market open. Yeah, we're still inside the Frankfurt orb here. Right, let's check a couple more things. Let's see the daily candle. See from where we're coming from. Bam, bam, Asian lows, recovery. We want to see one more drop. We want to see a big drop. And we're gonna catch this drop. Yeah, we have good target here. We have good target here. And the best targets down here. So sales on gold look very good. Even on 1 minute, it will look very good. Let's see where we're on VWAP. Now we want to see going below the 50%, but it's a good target. The 50% looks like a good target at the moment. Okay. And let's see the DR. Right, so DR came below and then above on 5 minutes. Yes, it closed candle below, and then it just wicked you out. Definitely, it played you out. Candle on 5 minutes, that looked bullish. Okay, take off the DR because this is the last candle. We're staying in this small box here. Oh, good push. And we have the window. We have the window on this side as well. We have good targets. If we break above, let's see the price action now. We collect liquidity from here. This is a great plus. We have liquidity swept. That's very good. We have liquidity target. Very good. For Nasdaq. Let's see some other factors like VWAP. Okay, we're just bouncing from the 50%. This is very good as well. I like to see that. Just bouncing from the 50%. And the morning session break above, came back, and it was trending above. So strong bullish momentum. Nasdaq, we want to see candle above. Easy as this. Gold breaks above. This is not something we're interested in, but that's okay. Let it go up, collect liquidity, and 5 minute close below. That's okay. What we want to see is Nasdaq going higher. And we're just gonna follow the trend. 1, we follow the trend, the daily candle. 2, we enter after liquidity sweep, this zone here. And 3, we have beautiful target. 4, we're just bouncing back from the 50% on VWAP. And yeah, that's it. We have couple of points, couple of ticks in our list here. So let's just wait for a candle. Mm. Nasdaq. Nasdaq. Right. Long on Nasdaq. Yes, yes, sir. That's right. Not now, though. Let's see if it's gonna tick the last box. Good 5-minute candle. Ideally, we wanna see how gold is grabbing those highs. $15-minute candle looks very good on Nasdaq. This is something we want to see for a buy position, so we can put another tick here. Maybe this will be our candle. Okay, we have a lot of good signs here. And we're waiting for the last one. Let's see for the wolf strategy. How does it look like? First 10 minutes. Okay, this is your last candle for the first 10 minutes. And here is the same for you. This is the last. I wouldn't enter longs on gold though. I wouldn't enter. Okay. Would this be our candle? I don't think so. Maybe the next one. Okay. Let's check for SMT. Right, we grab the lows here. We grab them lows and we didn't on S&P, which is bullish. Again, another tick. We have SMT from here, those lows, those lows. But we just need to see a candle closing above. That's all. This is SMT, guys. There we go. You can see it like this. Same lows. Nasdaq go lower and grab them, while S&P didn't manage to grab them. Come on. Fifteen seconds. I'm ready. I'm ready. I just wait for the sign. Okay. We have very good targets, so it will be beautiful if we manage. It hesitates so much. It won't be this candle. We might have to wait though. Gold is grabbing the highs. On gold, we go on 15 minutes orb. aka 5 minute time frame. And we're waiting breakdown from below. Let's say it breaks here. Do we have 1 hour to the bottom? Beautiful. This will be very good. This will be very, very good. I think the real potential trade is here. We have so many boxes ticked in our favor. The only bad thing is the momentum, which is low, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high. Chat, what do you think about it? Are you happy with Nasdaq longs? What is your take on this chart? Yes. God is going crazy. God made 1 hour. Okay, I don't think it's coming back, to be honest. Whoa, it grabbed this liquidity and just flies. Look at this, guys. Okay. We had the momentum here. And that's it. Nasdaq start falling. This one start ramming. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 candles. And we have 6 candle closing above. Stop loss on the bottom. 2R. Decent. Decent. Wolf, have you tried gold or something? Let me see how it looks on your strategy. You had candle closure here, and your trade would look like something like this. 0.69 Asian highs. Probably, I guess. Yes, long on gold. You like your longs on gold, don't you? Yesterday, it works in your favor. I wish you luck. I would be careful though. I would be careful. Always long on gold. Well, you have to admit that the 5 minute range is the better entry. This one. It breaks immediately. It hesitates for a moment. And there we go, we're out of the trade pretty fast. Yeah, it was, yeah. Liquidity here, liquidity there, has been swept. So the next one is up here, Asian highs up here as well. One more minute for this candle. I can say we recover here. Let's follow the price action. We have fair value gap here. In which favor is gonna work? And we have inverted here, which is holding the price. Micromanagement. Let's see, the price is now between the both, inverted and the fair value gap. We want to see it to go high. This 5-minute candle, it's a bit worrying. And it's just in my idea. If it breaks below, we're gonna enter definitely. Okay. We have candle close above. I see pretty often one on both situation. When it closes like this, it goes all the way down. With the next candle, it takes the highs immediately. So this looks like the second option, which is good for you, Wolf. Okay. Not bad. Hopefully. One, two, candle close. So now it should be on the price. I don't know. I wouldn't stay in this trade after this candle and after the liquidity we collected and seeing this daily candle. But this is the markets. Everything can happen. We just speculate, you know. We just speculate. So yesterday you caught very good trade, and I didn't agree with your trade yesterday. But depends how you test your strategy. Like if you test your strategy to enter every time there is a breakout on 10 minutes, 5-minute time frame, and you enter every single time, and you're like plus 5% or plus 10% or even plus 1% in the end of the month, that means that you need to enter at every trade to achieve this consistency of profits. So if this is what you do, you should do it like this. Yes, you should do it like this. If this shows good results, why not? Why not? We have big resistance here. We can't break above this line. And we really want to. We're gonna be patient, guys. We're gonna be patient. Now everything will change for gold if we have a good green candle. Because if we have a good green candle, we are stating that despite we took this liquidity, despite this candle here, the price is stating that I want to still go higher. Despite this pressure from the liquidity grab, from this 5-minute candle, I still want to go higher. I want to grab those Asian highs and I won't stop. So this candle looks very good for you, Wolf. You brave man. Up, 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 up. The interesting up. Well, I'm in. Yeah, I'm in, guys. Right here. Right here. This is exactly how it looks like. Right, so why we enter here? We have liquidity sweep from the bottom. We have liquidity target on the top here as well. We break above Europe. We follow the structure, price action, daily candle. This is the other thing. Look at the daily candle. So we're trending with the trend here, which is the safest option. And not last but least is that we're just bouncing off the 50% of VWAP. This is what we want to see. And now we want to see, just a second to remove this. We want to see a candle closing above those highs here. And this will make us very, very safe in this trade. Right? So I'm gonna measure 0.5 here. Very good push, by the way. Now we might squeeze more than 1 hour on this trade, so we're gonna look it closely. We have good liquidity on the top. This red line is when we're gonna go to break even if we manage to get there. Let's go. Yes. Are you in? Oh, okay. Did you enter on this one? Okay, good. Good luck then. It looks alright for now. Wolf, why did you put your TP if you enter here? Is it on the Asian highs? We have on the 5 minute as well candle closure on the top of the orb. So not bad really. Now we're gonna collect some liquidity from those highs. And we need to be careful now. Good push, very good push. Let's keep going. Yes, we just collected liquidity. So we might see a retrace. Yeah, we almost made 0.5. Just almost made 0.5. We have 0.5. So we can take our stop loss and move it to break even, guys. I move it to break even. Good. I did as well. Gonna share the screen here so we can watch it together. How it goes. It's been going too good in our favor with every candle. Oh my days. One candle? Really? I feel like we have a bad luck recently. Don't we? Okay, this fair value gap save our ass for now. But just for now. How does it look on 5 minutes? We have fair value gap down here on 5 minutes. And we're just forming this one. It's very tiny. Okay, we almost flipped this candle. That's good. Hopefully that was the last push before keep going higher. On 15 minutes. Okay. It's the same 5 minute candle actually. Okay. 30 minutes. It's the same candle. 1 hour. 1 hour. It looks very good. We have a wick below. Very big wick. We need to have a good push now. Okay, we start to recover. We don't want to see candles like this again, please. Morning star here. Morning star. I'll be interested into the DR of gold. Closing below. This will be interesting to be seen. Let's go, Nasdaq. We need big push. Okay, this candle is not bad. This will be a good short as well. We tick a lot of boxes here. Sorry about that. What do you think, chat? I think we have potential to go even higher. Let's see. Yeah, if this is the Asia high. Guys, if you hit the like, I forgot to mention this again. If you hit the like button, this will help me massively. I like those highs here. This is where 1R is, the blue line. Thank you for the likes, guys. We might be just 4 or 5 people, but every time I ask, you all just press the like button. Okay, 1R. We have 1R, guys. Right, so we're gonna do a dynamic now. We secure 400. Okay, we secure. Come on, close. Right, we secure 1R. We secure 1R for the moment. Keep going. Not bad. Come on. Come on. I'm gonna move under this candle. Just a little bit more than 1 hour. 1.7. Very good. 1.13. Come on. Okay, we're out. Not bad, not bad at all. 1.13. We take this. Beautiful, beautiful trade. We had so many indicators showing us go long, guys, go long. And this might still go higher. We have this fair value gap here, which might act as a support for the next push up till here. But we took what we came for. We took what we came for. I'm happy with that. Thank you. Well, when we see something, we must act on it. That's it. And there's gonna be a good short. There's gonna be a good short with this trade. Right. Maybe I'll stay for the DR IDR window. I'll be back in a minute, and yeah, I'll decide would I stay or not. Just I want to prepare one protein shake, guys. Be right back. Okay, guys. Oh, let me put the camera on. Right. So, really fast. We know everything about this trade already. I want to talk about the DR and what I think about it. Right. I'm gonna delete all of this now. So this is the DR window. Oh, this is the DR. Come on. This is the DR window. Now, buys, they'll be tempting because of the daily candle and in general the moves we have, but we have Asia highs really close, so I wouldn't enter on a breakout because we can take them and we can go back lower. So I wouldn't short as well. I wouldn't go in a trade until the New York session, right? This is with the Nasdaq and the DR. On the other hand, on gold DR, I'm more interested into sales because we made very good move. We collect some liquidity. We are very close to the Asian highs and those beautiful highs, as well as the highs just when the market opens at 11 o'clock England, or when the market opens in the States. This is the start of the trading hours, 11 o'clock. So this liquidity, if it's been grabbed, it can go really low, and we're very close to the Asian high. So I wouldn't go for longs here. Hopefully, Wolf, you took some profits. Your trade, it made you sweat definitely, but I think you have profits. I'm interested in shorts, but the price recovered. I'm happy for Wolf though. And this beautiful daily candle, yeah, is showing that buyers are stepping in. But again, I wouldn't enter on buys. Mm, yeah, I'll just grab the win for today and just wait for the next session. Yes, all out on both Nasdaq and gold. Beautiful, Wolf. Beautiful. Good job, man. Good job. Where did you enter on Nasdaq? How did you enter there? Did you enter on your 5 minute 10 minute orb on 5 minute candles? Because this is the same entry like mine, isn't it? Because this candle close is the same for the 15 and the 10 minute orb. Beautiful. So yeah, basically the same entry. Beautiful. Beautiful. Right. I'm happy for you, man. I'm happy for the gold and for the Nasdaq. We had very good setup today on Nasdaq. Really, that was very good. Liquidity swap, 50% on VWAP. Daily candle is with us. Daily trend is with us. We had great liquidity, and we keep on pushing for this liquidity. There we go, guys. We're gonna grab this liquidity as well. So it becomes even better, isn't it? It becomes even better. Yeah, we just grab it. 1.4. Asian highs 1.6. Not bad, not bad at all. Yeah, if we were a little bit more patient, we could grab that. But we secured some wins. So happy days, guys. Right. I'm gonna see you. Probably I'm gonna stream on the US Open. Why not? Probably. Thank you being with me, guys. And yeah, see you next time. Stay safe.